Hey everybody, I got a pretty cool 1938 Ford custom pickup I want to show you. This thing is pretty trick. It has a badass stance. If you see it from far away, it just sits killer. The wheels suck up into the bubble fenders nicely. It has just a kick-ass stance. It sits a few inches off the ground, probably about 2 inches of clearance. So it's a 1938 Ford truck with a Mustang 2 front end that's bagged, Ford 9-inch rear. It has a Ford V8 with a 4-speed automatic trans, air conditioning, power windows. It's got door poppers, like I said, air conditioning, really trick dash and gauges. It's got a stereo system. The body is laser straight on it. It's got a pretty trick bed, hardwood bed. This is all thick hardwood that's plain decked and bolted down. It flips up as well, so it will tilt up towards the front of the truck, and you can get to the airbags, the fuel tank, shocks, rear end to service anything that you need to. Pretty trick little fuel door on the side, Frenched in teardrop headlights. It's got front disc brakes, rear drums, dual exhaust. The exhaust comes out the front of the rear tires. It's a really straight bed. I mean, it's fucking laser straight. There's some really cool trick hinges and latches for the tailgate. They're all chromed with little button head fasteners. It's got suicide doors. Pretty trick steering wheel. It's got a GPS gauges in it, so their speedo's off GPS. It's got the floor shifter with the e-brake. Open up the door. It's even got a dome light that works well. It has contacts through the doors, so you don't have a wire loom and wires going through, and all the contacts work killer. AC controls are in the glove box with the air ride. So you got the stereo control, AC, air ride. It's got even the front little fold-out window crank that still functions. It's a pretty trick. Wipers work. Signals, tilt wheel, pretty trick pedals. I'll pop the hood. It's got a pretty cool dress-up kit on it. Edelbrock dress-up kit. The hood folds out to the front. It's got cool little signals on the front of the truck. The hood just folds forward. Really nice. Got chrome compressor for AC, chrome alternator, new valve covers, new air cleaner. It's just really clean. It's got a flattened firewall. Just wanted to show you guys this bitchin' 1938 Ford. Hit us up if you're interested in it. And subscribe to our channel. Watch all the cool shit we got coming out. And comment below if you guys want to see anything or want new videos of anything else.